Right now, billions of people connect through the internet every single day. But what if the web wasn't just something you looked at on a screen? What if you could step inside it? This idea is what many call the metaverse. The metaverse is more than just a buzzword from tech companies. It's a vision of a persistent, shared digital universe, powered by virtual reality, augmented reality, artificial intelligence, and blockchain. In this space, people interact not as text or profile pictures, but as living avatars in three-dimensional worlds that continue to exist even when you log off. The term metaverse first appeared in 1992 in Neil Stephenson's novel, Snow Crash. Back then, it was science fiction. Today, platforms like Roblox, Fortnite, and VR Chat give us a glimpse of what this concept can become. A universe where social interaction, work, and entertainment all converge in one digital dimension. In education, the metaverse could transform classrooms into interactive worlds. Imagine walking through ancient Rome, observing planets up close, or conducting experiments inside a safe digital lab, all without leaving home. For work, companies are already experimenting with virtual offices, where colleagues from different continents collaborate as if they were in the same room. The economy is also shifting. Digital assets, virtual real estate, and new types of online jobs are creating industries that didn't exist a decade ago. Musicians are holding concerts in virtual arenas. Architects are designing buildings that may never exist physically, but hold value in a digital society. But like any powerful technology, the metaverse comes with challenges. Privacy, security, digital addiction, unequal access to technology, and the risk of corporate monopolies are major concerns. These issues remind us that the metaverse is not just a technological question, it's a social one. So what is the metaverse? At its core, it's not a single platform or a single app. It's the next step in how we connect, learn, work, and create. Whether it becomes a tool that empowers humanity or a system that deepens inequality will depend on the choices we make today. One thing is clear, the metaverse is no longer science fiction. It's becoming part of our reality.